to talk about origin of yoga and importance of yoga. Yoga is an old method that has been developed over thousands of years in India and has been practiced ever since. It is said in Sanatana Dharma that Lord Shiva originated it. This is why we call him Adi Yogi, the first yogi. It is also said that he transmitted it to his 7 disciples, who passed down the knowledge onwards. An ancient Indian sage called Patanjali made the Yoga Sutras, a text of 196 verses. It tells us about the classical yoga, and yoga teaches us about spiritual liberation. There are 7 levels in yoga, also known as the 7 chakras. They are Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anhata, Vishuddha, Agnya Chakra and Sahasrara. If we master all of the chakras every day, we will get access to Kundalini powers. It is because when the 7 chakras are unlocked together, they make the Kundalini Yoga. If practiced correctly, may grant us supernatural powers like increasing or decreasing your weight and flying. However, these are just some examples of what Kundalini Yoga can grant us. If not practiced correctly, can be very harmful to our body. Thank you one and all.
Studying in 10 section and here to talk about yoga and its benefits. Yoga is an ancient practice that originated in India thousands of years ago and is still considered the best way to keep our mind and body fit. Yoga is of several types. Some of them are Hatha Yoga. This is a gentle form of yoga that focuses on basic postures and breathing. It strengthens muscles, increases flexibility, enhances balance and boosts coordination. It is great for beginners. Vinyasa Yoga, also known as slow yoga, it involves moving smoothly from one pose to another with your breath. It improves body structure, posture, improves flexibility and balance. It improves sleep quality and is also energetic and fun. Ashtanga Yoga, type of yoga that allows a specific sequence of poses. It helps build strength and flexibility. Ayurveda Yoga. This type focuses on doing each pose perfectly, often using props like blocks or straps. It's good for improving posture, alignment, and enhances calmness in one's mind. Kundalini Yoga. A special form of yoga that uses breathing, chanting, forget energy in the body. This helps in reduction, spiritual development, cognitive enhancement, and improvement of memory, attention, performance, all ability. Hatha Yoga. This type involves poses for longer periods to stress deep muscles and relax the body. This improves range of motion, elongates muscles, improves skin quality, detoxifies the body, and strengthens the ligaments. Restorative Yoga. This is a very gentle and relaxing type of yoga. It helps calm the mind and is great for reducing stress. Yoga can be practiced by anyone, no matter how old they are or what state they are in. No matter the style, it helps us become calmer, stronger, and more focused.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಸಿ ವಿಭಾಗದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿ ವೈಷ್ಣವಿ ಹರ್ಷ. ಇಂದು ನಾನು ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಯೋಗದ ಮಹತ್ವದ ಕುರಿತು ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾತಾಡಲು ಬಯಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಯೋಗ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮವಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತದ ಜೀವಾಳ. ಯೋಗವು ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆಯೇ ಹುಟ್ಟಿಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಋಷಿಮುನಿಗಳ ದರ್ಶನ, ಧ್ಯಾನ, ಅನುಭವಗಳ ಫಲ. ಪತಂಜಲಿ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ ಯೋಗ ಸೂತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಯೋಗ ಕೇವಲ ದೇಹದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಜೀವನದ ತಾತ್ವಿಕತೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇಂದು ಯೋಗವನ್ನು ಪಾಶ್ಚಿಮಾತ್ಯ ದೇಶಗಳು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಕಂಡಂತೆ ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತವೆ. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದ ಅಮೂಲ್ಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಮರೆತಿರುವಂತಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಜೂನ್ 21 ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಯೋಗ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಆದರೆ ಯೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ದಿನವಿಲ್ಲ. ಯೋಗವೇ ಜೀವನದ ದಾರಿ. ಯೋಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ? ಯೋಗ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ವಿಶ್ವಕ್ಕೆ ಆತ್ಮಶಕ್ತಿಯ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಎಂದು ಪರಿಚಯಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಯೋಗ ದೇಹ, ಮನಸ್ಸು, ಆತ್ಮವನ್ನು ಒಂದಾಗಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ. ವಿಶ್ವಾದ್ಯಂತ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಮಂದಿ ಈಗ ಭಾರತದಿಂದ ಕಲಿತ ಯೋಗವನ್ನು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಭಾರತವನ್ನು ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಿ ಕೆನಡಾ, ಬ್ರೆಜಿಲ್, ಸ್ವಿಟ್ಜರ್ಲೆಂಡ್, ಐರ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ಮುಂತಾದ ದೇಶಗಳು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಅದರ ಮಹತ್ವವನ್ನು ತಾವೇ ಅನುಭವಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವಂತೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯವನ್ನು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಯೋಗ ಏಕೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕ? ಓದುವ ಒತ್ತಡ, ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯ ಭಯ, ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾತ್ಮಕತೆಯ ನಡುವೆ ಯೋಗ ಒಂದು ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿಯ ದಾರಿ. ಯೋಗ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆಯುಳ್ಳವರಾಗಿ, ನಿಯಮಿತ ಚಿಂತನೆ ಇರುವವರಾಗಿ, ನೈತಿಕತೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಬದುಕುವ ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಇಡೀ ವಿಶ್ವವೇ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಓಡುತ್ತಿರುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಯೋಗದ ಮೂಲಕ ಸ್ವಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಒಂದು ಸುಲಭ ಆಸನ ಎಂದರೆ ತಾಡಾಸನ ಅಥವಾ ಬ್ರಸಿಕ ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮದಿಂದಲೇ ಆರಂಭಿಸೋಣ. ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯೋಗ ದಿನ ಆಚರಿಸೋಣ. ಆದರೆ ಅದು ಕೇವಲ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವಲ್ಲದೆ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸವಾಗಲಿ. ಯೋಗ ಎಂಬ ಪದ ನಮ್ಮ ದಿನಚರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಲಿ, ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿಯಲಿ. ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳುವುದೇನೆಂದರೆ, ಯೋಗವು ಕೇವಲ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದೇ ಎಂದು ಇರುವ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮ ದಾರಿ. ಭಾರತ ಎಂದರೆ ಯೋಗ, ಯೋಗ ಎಂದರೆ ಶಾಂತಿ. ಈ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ಬೀಜವನ್ನು ಮಕ್ಕಳಾದ ನಾವು ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, yoga is the journey of the self, through the self, to the self by the Bhagavad Gita. This is Rukshi Manya Kumar of 10th Standard D section. Today I am going to speak about a famous yoga personality, Jaggi Vasudev, also known as Sadhguru. He was born on 3rd September 1957 at Mysore. He is an Indian guru and founder of Isha Foundation, based in Coimbatore, India. The foundation was established in 1992, operates as an ashram and yoga center that carries out educational and spiritual activities. Sadhguru has been teaching yoga since 1982. At the age of 25, after a series of spiritual experiences, he extensively traveled to teach yoga. According to Sadhguru, yoga is a simple yet powerful practice that can boost brain power. According to the views of Sadhguru, yogasanas are more than just physical exercise. They are a means of transforming the body into a vessel for higher consciousness and well-being. One can achieve health, joy, and ultimately oneness with existence. Sadhguru has written many books on yoga. One such book is Adiyogi, The Source of Yoga, which explores the origin of yoga. Adiyogi, often identified with Shiva in yoga tradition, is considered the source and originator of yoga. The teachings of Adiyogi are believed to have been passed down to his 7 disciples, the Saptarishis. Sadhguru, through Isha Foundation, has significantly contributed to popularizing and making yoga accessible in the modern world. His works include offering yoga programs, writing books on yoga philosophy, and he has been instrumental in reviving and promoting classical Hatha Yoga. Sadhguru is awarded with the Padma Vibhushan
the second highest civilian award from the Government of India in recognition to his contribution to the field of spirituality and humanitarian services. Thank you. Have a nice day.